Hello everyone. Welcome to Start Class 7 Civics Chapter 2, that is role of the government in healthcare. It means in this chapter we will see that what are role of the government to maintain the health of the people, of the citizen. So in a democratic country, people expect from the government people expect from the government to do the work for the betterment and welfare of the people. So people hope from the government to provide education, to provide health facilities, to construct the road, to provide water supply, electricity, and so many more things. So in this chapter, we will see especially about the health, that which type of health facility government should provide to the people, to the citizen. So here first is what is health? What is the definition of the health? So health means most of the people think especially that the health means to stay free from to the ability to stay free, the ability to remain free from the disease and from the injuries. It is health, but it is not complete. Some more things are there. Only stay free from the disease and other injuries, it is not complete. Some more things are also to be added here, and those are the factor which affects the health, the factor which affect the health, like government should provide pure drinking water, clean drinking water, clean surrounding area of the people, that is pollution free environment. Because if these all the things are not clean, water is not clean, environment is not good, so people will fall ill repeatedly again and again. Our next heading is healthcare in India. India has largest medical colleges, and every year 15,000 doctors pass out. But even there is much problem. So much doctors pass out every year, nearly 15,000. Even there is much problem for the doctors, for the clinic in the rural areas. Why? What is the problem? What is the matter? Because the doctors are interested to be located in the cities, in the urban areas, not in the rural areas. That's why there is a problem for the rural areas. People have to travel to the big cities for the treatment, better treatment of the diseases. In India, 21% of the communicable diseases are waterborne, are generated by contaminated water, not pure water, impure water, like diarrhea and some others. If we want to prevent the diseases or treat the diseases well, then we have to do some of the thing. It means we need good health facilities, good health care facilities, health center, hospitals, labs for different type of checking, test, and blood bank, so that whenever there is need for any patient for emergency, we can provide the required things. Next heading is public health care facilities. Public health care facility. What are public health care facilities? So the health care facilities which is provided by the government, it is called public health care facilities, like government hospitals, government health care centers. Health care centers are located in the villages, and in the cities hospitals are located, so they both are interconnected. So small cases are treated in the health care centers, and if they are unable to deal, they will refer to the big hospital. So they are interconnected. They are run by the government. They are run by the government. It is called public healthcare. Why? Because it provides treatment to every citizen equally. Whenever there is need, they will provide equal treatment to everyone. And second, they are called public. Why? Because it is run by the taxes paid by the people. And next point is that they provide cheap and sometimes free medicines. They don't take any money for the hospital beds. All the things are free. If in some hospital it is there, so they are taking very much money, very less money, only nominal money. Next heading is private healthcare facilities. Private healthcare facilities. Hospitals, nursing home, which is run by the private individual. It is owned by private individual. They are called private healthcare facilities. They also provide all the facilities which is provided in the public healthcare facilities. But the system in these private facilities are very costly. For each and everything, the patient have to pay much. For the hospital bed, they will take much money. Medicines will be expensive. Treatment will be expensive. And doctor's fee will be expensive. And next heading is healthcare inequality. Is there equality? Are both the sector, that private healthcare and public healthcare, they both are equal? No, they both are not equal. You can see in your area, we can see in our area, that private sectors that develop, they increase day by day. The numbers of the hospitals and nursing home increase day by day. The private nursing home and hospital increase day by day. Even they increase their equipments and facilities, machines. These all the things are increased day by day in private hospital. But in the government hospital, you will see that the number of doctors are less. Even the doctor, those are appointed in some of the hospital, they will not arrive daily to the hospital. Some of the doctors are coming late also, very late you can say. And condition of the hospital is not maintained, that government hospital, public hospital. And its quantity, the government hospital quantity is also limited. You will see, suppose you take example of your city, Mau city. If 5 government hospitals are there, if 2 government hospitals are there, so you can count that more than 30 private hospital will be there. So this is the difference. Even when you will go to the government hospital, private hospital, that public hospitals, so you will find their unhygienic system. All the systems are, you can say, corrupt. You will not find even doctors in private hospital. They are taking much money. All the things are expensive, but they are giving better facilities. And one problem is there, many problems are there in private hospital also, that they are too costly. And very important thing, they are localized in big cities. In cities only, not in villages. Why? Because they run for the profit. They run private hospital for the profit. You can say that private hospitals are not affordable for the poor. Poor can afford the hospital. For this, they have to borrow the money or they have to sell their lands.